Planting buddies, here we are on the topic of ginger. That was my first episode this week, and it so happens that I am planting some and I wanted to share it with you. Now here I have some that I had set down to get the nodules, and there they are, and you see those little bumps, also called nodules. There's some more, and you could set it in water, because one of my friends, she does that. She sets hers in water and wait for the nodules to come up. You could just set it down all by itself, which is what I do. And you could also put it in soil, which is what I did here. I went ahead and just put a piece in a pot, and if you notice, excuse me, it has sprung a little flower there, well, some leaves, getting ready to produce the pretty flower that it produces. And there's another piece right here that is coming up. So you can see that. Now I have some soil here, and I'm going to put my little nodules in the soil, getting ready for them to grow. And what you do, you turn the nodule upside so that it can get to do what it does best, which is to form a leaf. And I'm going to put another piece nearby, just like that. I'm going to cover that. Another bit with this nodule right here. I'm going to put it a little closer to this. This strip right here is for support in this rectangular pot. I like to use these to get more room somehow. And I have 2 more pieces. I might be able to find another piece somewhere in the house, because I just stuck them at different places. Here's another that goes right there, nodule side up. And another piece with a little nodule right at the bottom. And it goes right there. Now I have some worm castings, which I am going to sprinkle some of it on top and put some more soil on top of it. And then we're done. So here we go with the worm castings. Oh my God, I can't believe I'm doing this, because it's not something that I'm fond of, handling worms or anything to do with worms. But if you're doing gardening, it's a part of that. That is a part of it also. And then I'm just going to add some more soil that I have in the back on top of it to cover it up. And we're done. And then I'm going to share another video with you when it starts to look like this one that produces its flower and all the pretty stuff. All right. Thank you.